Okay, today, me, Breed, Mr. Brendan behind the camera, we're gonna take a beautiful float down the majestic Pine River in northern Michigan. We're gonna take a look at my new listing, big log house, right around this bend. We got the grill ready. We got $70 worth of steaks, and we're looking forward for a little riverbank lunch. And then after that, hopefully we catch some fish. See what happens. Give me some thumbs up, boys. Yeah!
Nice true Pine River.
Got some nice steaks for the boys today. We're just down the bend from that listing on the Pine here. Breed just hooked up on a nice fish. Great jerky from the Meat Shack. They're awesome. Go there if you're on the 37. The Yeti's full of refreshments, and the steaks are going on the old charbroil. Good day. All right, boys, lunch is done. We're gonna go float this river, finish the day strong. Got a lot of sun, little wind, but time is right to float the best sections, and there's big fish waiting for us. Well, we caught some fish, but we also caught a storm. So now we're gonna run to the truck, which is a mile that way, and hopefully not get struck by lightning. See you later.